I get asked all of the time, Sarah, if you could pick one specific spot in Playas del Coco, Costa Rica to live, where would it be? Today I'm going to show you the answer because it would definitely be in this development, and honestly, it would probably be this house. So I'm so excited to show you my newest exclusive listing. This is a 3-bedroom, amazing ocean view home in the gated community of Pacifico. Join me now. Hi everyone, Sarah Breitlander here with Krain Luxury Real Estate, and today we are going to check out Villa Valhalla. This is one of my favorite homes. We are going to start out here because it doesn't get much better than this. Look at your view. We are on the patio of this home. This is the view you can take in every day when you select this home. Really nice. My husband and I have actually stayed at this home. This is how much we love this home. And so we're so excited to bring it to the market. So I just want to see, look at all of the space you have here. This is shattered travertine floor here. a Coralina. And I love Coralina because it doesn't get hot in the sun and it's non-slippery. So for me, it's the perfect texture to put outside on these decks. Beautiful, beautiful pool here. You have steps going down, you have seating. I love that it's, what's the word I'm looking for? Infinity pool. Thank you very much. And it just really has spectacular ocean views. Look at this space. This is huge. I love the stonework on the walls. It's so beautiful, the arches. You do have fans out here. We rarely use them because the breezes up here are great. Fabulous outdoor dining, outdoor lounging. What a beautiful outdoor area. And it only gets better. This is all your property. This is a single family home. We are in the Pacifico development of Playas del Coco. This is the most prestigious gated community in Playas del Coco, and actually I would argue in all of Hermosa, Coco, and Ocotal. This whole territory, that's why I say this is where I would live if I lived in this territory. We're down south because our kids go to school there. But I tell you what, this is an amazing, very livable option. Also great for rentals. Look at this. This is a huge covered outdoor lounge, kitchen, dining area, again, with this just amazing view. Look at that. You can see the boats in the harbor. I also want to take a minute to show you where we are. Not only are we in a gated community, but look at all the privacy you have. This is your own pavered driveway. You have a gate at the bottom. It comes all the way up. You are on the end here. This is actually a beautiful ravine. In the green season, it is so lush. Right now we're in the dry season, but just the privacy, to be in a gated community like this and have this much privacy, quite honestly, it's unheard of. And I love that. And then look at this accent. I just think that's beautiful, really tying this portion in. Beautiful bridge there over to that area. You have a nice outdoor bath here, so you don't have to go into the main home if you want to change into your bathing suit or whatever out here. So I wanted to start here because this is just an amazing space. It's among my favorites. I love the walkways and the bridges. Again, look at all this. This is covered Caña Brava here, excellently maintained. We manage this home, and I think ourselves and the owners do an amazing job maintenance-wise. So we're actually at the entry of the home now, and I just like you to see everything. So you would enter the home through here, right? And then, so just imagine you're walking into the home, but I want to show you a little bit of back end of business. Well, first, look at this beautiful blooming tree that you have here. But also I wanted to show you this side of your driveway. Look at your ocean view from your driveway, first of all. Then look here, you have a 2-car garage, just a ton of space, sprawling estate, ton of privacy, and you're in the prestigious Pacifico development. They have, I'm not gonna get them all, but they have tennis courts, pickleball is huge here, amazing pools, dog park, a ton of stuff. I know I'm missing one, but I will try to remember later. But really a ton of things here. The beach club is the most famous beach club in this area. It is stellar. We'll try to have some photos in the listing for you, but it is available to Pacifico residents. A nice white sand beach, beautiful restaurant, massages, you have it all. Okay, have to stop talking and show you the house. Look at this entryway, it's so beautiful. And then you just come right in here, beautiful entry door. Everything in this house is spectacular. So a beautiful foyer here. Again, you're gonna see the stonework, nice window out to the plant. You're gonna see a ton, ample closet space. The weathered tiles are so nice and so easy to clean. I love these lit alcoves here for your artwork, just beautiful. Come on in. Massive. Regal is the word that comes to mind. I love this principal bedroom. It has vaulted ceilings. It has beautiful light here. It has its own private balcony. I have literally spent time out here reading a book, and it is just so tranquil. Listen. Silence, that's what that is. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Not only are we in the Pacifico development, but we are located right on the edge. That's why there were the Ravine, no drive-by traffic. Just has everything you would want. The position of this home is quite perfect. So now we're gonna enter the ensuite bathroom. It is a suite, and I wanna show you this beautiful walk-in closet. Great space. We have a water closet back here. Ton of space, ton of space. Great dual mirrors there. You even have a little makeup stand vanity. You also have his and hers because there's another vanity here. Gorgeous ocean views right here from your tub, and a shower as well. You actually have an indoor and outdoor shower here. Beautiful. You can shower outside with nature, and it's totally fine because you have a ton of privacy. All right, let's explore more. This is a big home, but I know we try to keep these videos, believe it or not, we try to keep these videos as short as possible, but we have a lot of things to cover here, and it's one of my favorite homes, like I said, so I'll try not to talk too much. But here we have, let's start here. This is a nice, large laundry room. Look at all the space. I love the practicality, and then over here you have a half bath. The layout is amazing. I give you a look at this kitchen. Look at the counter space. We have prepped meals here. When my husband and I were here, we went out to eat once, but otherwise the kids were so happy here and their friends. We played games, we were out in the pool, and I just loved this kitchen, so we just prepped food here with this ocean view. You don't even want to go into town, but if you do, town is literally at the entrance gate of Pacifico. That's the nicest part of town. So I love not only the position of this home in Pacifico, but I love the position of the gated community of Pacifico in and of itself. It's right next to the Auto Mercado. I know that sounds like an automobile dealership, but it's not. It is actually the nicest grocery food chains we have here. It's like the Whole Foods of the United States or Canada. It's called Auto Mercado here at the entry gate of Pacifico. Really nice restaurants are here as well. You have a gas grill here, ton of space. Of course, all stainless steel appliances, quite new. And you have everything. I just want to show you, the detail and the organization and the love and attention that this house has. It's one of our best rentals. I love it. It even comes with a little book here. This is Villa Valhalla. The L's are pronounced differently down here, so I get it confused sometimes. But that's an interesting name, and I wonder if you know what that means. That'll give you a little bit of insight into the owner and his hobbies here, so I think that's a fun thing. Look at this space here. This is look at this pantry. I mean, it's just huge. You could absolutely have a party here. You have a wine fridge here. I just love everything about it. At night, the lighting in this house is gorgeous. So you can just have the pendant lights on. You have mood lighting. It's amazing. Quickly, I want to show you this outdoor space. To be quite honest, this isn't even really being fully utilized by the owner. You could do a lot with this with more plants and everything. Clearly they use the other side more, but I tell you what, I like this place because when you have sun in the front, you can get, when the sun's going down, you can get a lot of shade back here, or vice versa, the morning sun on this and the shade here. So it's great to have both of those options. And I don't know if you've noticed, but the breezes are great when you have both places open. Look at the heights of these ceilings and the ceiling fans. It's great to have them. It's great to not have to use the AC if you don't want to, but quite honestly, we never put on the fans because the breezes are so great. And then of course, just to give you a frame of reference, just look at the framing. Spectacular, spectacular home. All right, there's more to see. Let's run. Let's go. Really beautiful space. I also want to note the indoor and outdoor furniture, super high quality. Everything comes with the home. There might be some select items that will be exempt from the sale, but really not much. This is bedroom number 2. Another reason I love it, the principal bedroom's on this side. The 2 bedrooms are over here. It has a split layout, which I like, so you're away from your guests and have a little more privacy. All of the bedrooms, gorgeous sliding doors to ocean views. So the fact that 3 out of 3 bedrooms have ocean views is really nice, and that's a rarity, okay? Here is the beautiful full bath that these 2 bedrooms share. Here we are in bedroom number 3. You're gonna see coffered ceilings, just really beautiful design, really cohesive, really nice. And again, we just walk out here. Did we mention this cute, oh, the girls love this, the cute outdoor shower here with the mermaid. This home will go soon. I will be honest, we had a checkout this morning. I snuck in here to get this video for you. We have it as a vacation rental, so it's up on our site, but I'm very protective of you guys. I want you to see the newest listings first. So we're gonna do a luxury video, but I didn't know when we could do it, so I literally snuck in here to get this video done. I think this home will go quick, and I want it to go to one of our beautiful viewers who watch this channel. So let me know in the comments below if you know what Valhalla means, and call me today if you are interested in this listing. I think it'll go fast, and I'd love to help you acquire this beautiful home. Ciao for now, and pura vida.